Howitzer Raid is effectively CH-47s, what we did today, going out, picking up not only the howitzer but the gun crew with them, taking them to a location, putting it on a specific azimuth so that they are ready to fire, and then landing and letting those passengers, the field artillery guys, get off and get on the gun so they can start firing. This one in particular, time is a key component where we're not trying to do it as quickly as possible. We're trying to get these howitzers onto the target at a very specific time, at a specific location, with a specific orientation. They wanted it plus or minus 3 meters in any direction, and you're talking about a 30,000-pound helicopter with a 10,000-pound gun underneath it. It's a lot of equipment to get into that specific spot.